The Supreme Court of India allowed advocate Yogmaya MG to withdraw her public interest litigation seeking the application of POSH Act to political parties. The petition argued that political parties should be mandated to form internal complaints committees to address sexual harassment complaints by women political workers. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and Justice K. Vinod Chandran observed that the issue fell within the legislative domain and was not suitable for judicial intervention. CJI Gavai remarked that such matters are policy related and should be taken up by the Parliament. The Petitioners' Counsel Senior Advocate Shobha Gupta clarified that she was not seeking the enactment of any new provisions, but was only seeking an interpretation of the existing provisions so as to bring political parties within the fold of the POSH Act. She argued that political parties will constitute workplace or employer within the meaning of the POSH Act, making them liable to comply with these provisions to address sexual harassment of women political workers. She also referred to a 2021 Kerala High Court ruling which held that political parties are not bound to constitute internal complaints committees as per the POSH Act. Ultimately, the bench declined to entertain the writ petition, reiterating that the matter belonged to the legislature. However, it granted the petitioner liberty to withdraw the plea and independently challenge the Kerala High Court's ruling, noting that further legal steps could be taken as advised. Please leave your thoughts on this matter below in the comment section, and for more such legal insights, stay tuned to Live Law.